Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are making a short sleeve. I made this video before but someone requested and I made it again. So we are going to have our armhole measurement. So before you do anything, you must have your measurements at hand. Yeah, and we are going to also have our bicep measurement around our bicep. Don't make it so tight, leave a little allowance when you're measuring. Yeah, so our bicep is 14 and we are going to have our measurement around our elbow or slightly up. Yeah, so you also make that point and mark it. So in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Yeah, so we are going to divide our measurements by 2, all of them, and whatever we get is what you're going to use. Remember, our pattern paper is on fold, so we are going to begin with our starting point. From our starting point to our bicep going down, we are going to measure 4.5. If you want, you can measure 5. We are going to use a sleeve length of 8. If also you want, you can make it 10. Yeah, you can make your sleeve to where you want it. Yeah, so we are going to come in from the starting point by 4, and from there we are going to make our bicep measurement, and our bicep was 7 plus 1.5 and our sleeve length was 11 divided by 2 plus 1.5. Yeah, so we mark that there. So we go on the 4 points we made and we divide that line by 2. So we do like that. Then we get our curved ruler from our starting point and connect to that point, and then after there we curve again down. You can use a free hand, you can use a curved ruler, whatever you want, it all works. Yeah, so we cut out our sleeve and our short sleeve is done. You remember to put the allowance, please. Yeah, so that's our short sleeve. We are done with our short sleeve, so we are going to go on our long sleeve. We shall make a starting point that. So the long sleeve doesn't have any difference from the short sleeve. From our starting point or starting line to the bicep, 4.5 or 5 inches, whatever you want to use. Yeah, then plus a starting point down, you measure from your starting point down to your elbow. Yeah, that. So since I'm the one measuring myself, it might not be so accurate, but in case you get someone to measure you, you'll get the right measurement. Yeah, so you mark that point and indicate it on our pattern. Yeah, so you mark that line there and you cross that line across. So I told you, in case you haven't subscribed, my dear, please do subscribe. Yeah, so we are going to measure our arm length. When you're measuring your arm, please curve in a little bit around the elbow to know, because when you don't curve in, you'll get the wrong measurement. In case you fold your elbow and you measured all the waist weight, the sleeve will be shorter. Yeah, so you get someone to measure you on the arm. Just I was showing you how it is supposed to be. So we label our sleeve, that the starting point, the bicep measurement, the elbow measurement, then the sleeve length. Yeah, or the wrist measurement. So you measure also around your wrist, like that. Yeah, mine was 7 points, some points, very small points. Then you divide that by 2. Whatever measurements you get, you divide by 2. Remember, our sleeve is on fold. Yes, So I put that there and mark. After marking, I add 1.5 inches. That is sewing allowance. I come on my elbow. I measure around my elbow. Make sure you measure and have the right measurement. Yes, around my elbow, I measure and also indicate, divide by 2 and indicate on my pattern. So whatever I got, I indicated it there and added 1.5 inches. So I come on my bicep. Already I know my bicep measurement. Yeah, I indicate it and also add 1.5 inches. Then I come in from that line as I did in the short sleeve by 4 to make our shoulder cap. Yeah, and then divide by 2 and mark the midpoint. That's where our slope is going to slope from. This time we are going to try using a free hand. In case you don't have a ruler, a curved ruler, don't be discouraged. Just use your hand. Oh, yes, just use your hand. It all works the same. Yeah. So after that, we shall just join our sleeve. So we shall join our points together. We shall connect those points, and after that our sleeve is done. Yeah. So we cut it out like that. Yeah. And now our sleeve is done. So we open it, it's like that, and the short one is like that. Thank you.